Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 delicious and healthy summer recipes that are perfect for weight loss. These recipes are not only nutritious but also refreshing for those hot summer days. Let's dive right in. Recipe 1: grilled chicken salad with mango salsa. First up, we have a grilled chicken salad with mango salsa. This dish is packed with protein and essential nutrients. To prepare this salad, start by grilling chicken breasts seasoned with salt and pepper. Then toss together a vibrant mango salsa with diced mango, red onion, cilantro, and lime juice. Finally, assemble your salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and top it off with the zesty mango salsa. Quinoa, a light and satisfying meal perfect for summer lunches. Recipe 2: watermelon and feta salad. For our next recipe, we have a watermelon and feta salad, a classic combination of sweet and savory flavors. Begin by cubing fresh watermelon and combining it with crumbled feta cheese, sliced cucumber, and mint leaves. Drizzle with a touch of olive oil and balsamic glaze for that extra depth of flavor. This salad is hydrating, low in calories, and perfect for a light summer dinner. Recipe 3: citrus shrimp and quinoa bowl. Next, we're making a citrus shrimp and quinoa bowl, a protein-packed dish with a burst of citrusy freshness. Start by cooking quinoa according to package instructions. Meanwhile, marinate shrimp in a mixture of orange juice, lime juice, garlic, and chili flakes. Combine cooked quinoa with grilled citrus shrimp, avocado slices, cherry tomatoes, and arugula. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette made of olive oil, citrus juice, and honey. Recipe 4: Greek yogurt berry smoothie. For a refreshing snack or breakfast, try our Greek yogurt berry smoothie. Blend together Greek yogurt, mixed berries, spinach for a boost of greens, a splash of almond milk, and a touch of honey until smooth. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants, protein, and probiotics, a perfect way to cool down on a hot summer day. Recipe 5: grilled vegetable skewers. Lastly, we have grilled vegetable skewers, a colorful and flavorful addition to any summer BBQ thread skewers with a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and mushrooms. Grill until vegetables are tender and slightly charred. Serve these alongside a lean protein like grilled chicken or fish for a complete and nutritious meal. And there you have it. 5 healthy and delicious summer recipes that are not only good for your waistline but also a treat for your taste buds. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutritious recipes. See you next time.